Storms, what's the latest?
Well, if you are anywhere on the west side of I-5, you have seen a whole lot of action tonight. Take a look at these thunderstorms moving at a pretty quick pace right now, going northbound at about 44 miles per hour. A lot of rain packed within these and a whole lot of lightning and also hail. So as you take a look at the left-hand side of your screen, noticing this icon, this represents, that's right, radar indicated hail. So hail size we've seen so far reported about pea size to as much as a ½ inch in size, and gusty winds too associated with these storms coming through. Again, they're heading northbound. So right now in a line basically paralleling I-5 on the west side, noticing out towards Portland and on the east side of the valley. You're getting some light precipitation, but no major downpours right now. That flash flood watch will remain in effect through tonight, though, for the western slopes of the Cascades. Mostly that big concern is about our recently burned areas, and getting any downpours in those areas would certainly be problematic. Your temperature right now in Portland is 66 degrees. Looking at your wind speed, though, it's calm. Visibility here has improved. We've seen tiny improvements, though, in the air quality. I think we'll see some better mixing by the time we get to tomorrow. Let's take a quick look at that smoke forecast. Here we go with that big southerly push. Another round of wind coming from the west as we get to the second part of your weekend, and look at where all that smoke goes. It heads eastbound. You see, it never really goes away because we continue to have our wildfires burning, and until that stops, this will continue. But the overall trend is our wind direction will be coming from the southwest initially, and then eventually straight on shore from the west, giving us some much needed relief after 7 days of dealing with low visibility and terrible air quality. What's going to happen overnight? Thunderstorms continue right here in the valley. Now, as we get to about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, we could see more of those thunderstorms popping up on the east side of I-5. As we get to Friday afternoon, our chance of thunderstorms, well, it begins to migrate over towards central Oregon and eastern Oregon. And you can see big gaps in the precipitation right here. This is tomorrow night right around 7 o'clock. So many of you will get some nice dry breaks, but overall we're getting some wetting rains, which is very important. We might be able to pick up something close to about an inch, perhaps an inch and a quarter. Let's take a look at your fire weather danger, though, over the weekend, starting, though, on Friday. So noticing as we get to Friday afternoon, as soon as that area of low pressure transitions, winds are going to pick up in a pretty big way. So a red flag warning will be in effect for south central Oregon and the southeastern corner. That increases your fire danger. This is Friday afternoon, but notice as we get to the second part of your weekend rolling into Saturday and Sunday, that fire danger decreases. Here's your 7-day forecast. 66 degrees for you. Again, still a chance for morning thunderstorms. Saturday, more widespread rain, and then it comes to an end by the afternoon. Sunday, partly cloudy. Some of you will be able to enjoy a big difference in your air quality by then. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, now we're looking at more rain in the forecast, and that'll be at the end of next week.
Someone wake up Benny Beaver.